Lost your Pipedrive export file? In 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly where it hides and how to open it. First, we'll export from Pipedrive. Then I'll walk you through finding the file in File Explorer and opening it. Simple as that. So let's start where all good exports begin, in Pipedrive itself. You've probably already got it open, but if not, go ahead and log in. Now, I've seen a lot of people get tripped up here, so let me show you the smoothest way. Head over to the section you want to export. It could be your deals, your contacts, your organizations, whatever data you need. Once you're there, look for that export option. It's usually tucked under a gear icon or a menu button labeled Export. Click that. And here's the really important part, the download. Pipedrive will process your request. This might take a moment to process, especially if you've got a lot of data. Don't click away or refresh the page. Just let it do its thing. When it's ready, you'll see a download prompt. Click that download button. Now, pay attention to this next bit. Where does your browser actually put that file? Most browsers by default save to your Downloads folder, but some browsers might ask you where to save it first. If you see a little bar at the bottom of your screen or a pop-up asking Save As, just click Save or hit OK. We'll find it in a second. Now let's switch over to your file system. Open File Explorer on your computer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon in your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer is open, look on the left-hand side. You'll see a list of folders. Click on the one that says Downloads. This is the default landing spot for almost everything you download from the internet. All right, you're in your Downloads folder. Now you're looking for that recently downloaded export file. It might feel like finding a needle in a haystack if you've got a lot of files in there. But here's a trick I use all the time. Look at the top of the file list. You'll see column headers like name, date modified, type, and size. Click on Date Modified. This sorts all your files by the date and time they were last changed. Click it once to sort from newest to oldest. Your Pipedrive export should now be right near the top of the list. If it isn't, click Date Modified again to reverse the order. I've tested this on dozens of computers, and it works every time. Now, spot the file. It will have a name that usually includes Pipedrive or Export somewhere in it. And here's the key detail. Look at the extension. You're looking for either a .xlsx file, that's an Excel spreadsheet, or a .csv file, which is a comma-separated values file. Both will open just fine. Your computer might show the extension, or it might hide it by default. If you see a small spreadsheet icon next to the file name, that's your file. Double-click that file. Go ahead. It should open automatically in Excel, or whatever spreadsheet program you have installed on your machine. Maybe Google Sheets, maybe Apple Numbers. Either way, you're in. Take a moment to review the exported data. Scroll through a few rows, check the columns, make sure everything you expected to export actually made it over. I've lost count of the times someone thought their export failed, only to find it was right there all along, just waiting to be opened. And that's it. From frantically searching for a missing export file to confidently locating and opening it in seconds. Now you know exactly where to look, and you can get back to working with your data instead of hunting for it.